How to see who viewed your Snapchat story. To see who viewed your Snapchat story, you need to go to your profile or log into your Snapchat account. Once you're logged in, click on the Bitmoji icon from the top of the page, and then you could actually see my story right over here. So if you click on that, and here you could see in the bottom left corner there is this option as who can see your information or who has actually viewed it. You could click on this eye icon or just simply swipe up, and you should be able to see who has actually viewed your Snapchat story. And if you have not posted a story, then you'll not be able to actually see who has viewed your story. To add a story, you just have to simply take a random picture, and then you want to click on the send to button and click on my story friends only, and then click on the arrow button, and with that being said, you'll have successfully added the story. And likewise, to check it out, you want to click on the Bitmoji, and you could go to my story right over here, and then click on this arrow icon, and somebody or the user who has actually viewed your story will be able to see the information right over here. So that is how you could see who viewed your Snapchat story. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.